Good afternoon, guys. For today's Sales 101, pag-uusapan natin yung how to create connection with our customer. No, sa mga ahente natin, lalo na sa first acquaintance, no, yung first sales call visit to our prospect, no, to our customers. Ang targetin dapat natin, guys, no, is to avoid early dismissal, no, yung very short lang yung discussion with your customer, kasi sabihin natin walang nag-ignite, no, walang connection sa naging discussion, no, very casual lang, natapos agad, no, very short, no. Sabihin nating 10 minutes lang, no, baka 5 minutes nga lang, kasi wala ka pang relasyon, no? Wala ka pang relasyon sa customer, so wala ka pang di pa kayo close, no. So ang tanong, how to create the connection with the customer para magtagal yung usapan nyo, no, kahit during the first acquaintance, during the first sales call visit, no. So yun dapat yung intindihin natin kung paano gawin, no. So guys, to help you, no, to give you tips, no, paano gawin yan, una, before your visit, guys, no, kilala mo naman yung target person na bibisitahin mo para sa first call mo, first visit mo. So sa ngayon, guys, madali na lang, no. We have the social media. So first thing, pwede mo silipin sa Facebook, no. Ang very common, Facebook. Silipin mo yung customer mo. Pag-aralan mo lang doon, ano makikita mo doon. Una, what's new kung sa negosyo man yon o sa family niya. For example, no, nung nagbukas ka ng Facebook niya, nasilip mo na yung anak niya, no, pumasa ng bar exam, no. So that's a good thing, no. That's a good news. So sabihin natin yun yung nakita mo, no, that's about family. So after that, pag-aaralan mo, plan your approach, paano mo siya ipasok during your visit, no. So pag nag-usap na kayo, pag nagbisita na, so insert mo lang, no, na ipasok mo yung, like sabihin mo, boss, congrats pala boss, ha, pumasa pala yung anak mo na lalaki sa bar exam. So congrats boss, may abogado ka na ngayon. So pag ganun, guys, pag nag-create ka ng spark, no, ng connection sa customer, syempre kung father yung kausap mo, ano yan, no, very happy yan, no, very proud yan na pag-uusapan yan. So from there na binigkas mo sa kanya, nag-congratulate ka, so ano na yon, for sure siya na yung mag-elaborate, no, siya yung magsasabi about sa kanyang anak, about sa accomplishment ng anak niya. So I'm pretty sure hahaba yung usapan nyo. So yun yung goal natin, guys, no, na mapahaba yung usapan, no. Do not just focus on the business side, do not just focus on your solution or your product or your offerings, no. So it's good na yung sinasabi ko kanina, to create the connection with the customer during your first acquaintance, no, para that very first discussion nyo, no, will create a good impression, no. So I'm pretty sure you will start with a good vibes, no. Maganda yung pakiramdam, no, yung pag-uusap nyo until the end of that discussion on that day. So I'm pretty sure sa next visit mo, medyo magaan na, no, medyo parang magkaibigan na kayo. So ganun guys, no? How to create. So isa lang yon, nabanggit ko rin na yung sa social media. Pangalawa, kung di mo makita sa social media, kasi hindi naman lahat ng customer natin, lalo na yung mga high profile, yung iba walang Facebook, no? So what you can do during your first visit, pwede naman, no? Kung may common friend, pwede ka magtanong doon about sa background niya, business, hobbies, family, other matters, no, na pwede mo mapag-aralan para mabanggit mo to create the connection. Third, kung walang kaibigan na common friend na nakita mo, pwede naman, no, during your first visit, just proceed early doon sa opisina niya. Kung may secretary, o kausapin mo yung secretary, no, at tanong-tanong ka about business, about hobbies ni sir, ni bossing, or ni ma'am, or anything na pwede mo mapag-aralan, no, pwede mo malaman, na pwede mo banggitin, no. So nabanggit ko guys three ways, no. So marami pang paraan, but yun lang ang message ko lang guys, is during your first call, during your first acquaintance with the customer, you need to create the connection during the discussion, to make a good discussion, na mapahaba yung discussion nyo. Maiwasan natin yung tinatawag ko kanina na very short discussion, yung early dismissal, na mapaalis ka, mag-adjourn na kayo at very early time, no, na sabihin natin 5 minutes lang, 10 minutes lang, no. So good thing kahit first talk, kahit 1 hour, no, mapaabot natin ng 1 hour, no. Better kung mapahaba, no, kasi pag napahaba yung discussion nyo with customer, ibig sabihin maganda yung pag-uusap nyo. You are welcome, no, sa visit mo. So yan lang guys. So I hope you learn, no, about how to create connection with the customer. Thank you.